Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change homepage in Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, I am on the Wix website editor, and then in here is my reviews page. So I want to make my reviews page as my homepage. So what I can do is I can click on this pages and menu, and once I have clicked on that, I can see all the pages that I have on my site. So here is the home page right here. So in order to make reviews as our homepage, just click on this three dots right here. And then in here, you can see this set as homepage. So click on that. And then as you can see, the house icon has been changed into the reviews page. And whenever we head to this site, we should be able to see that this one will be our homepage. So for that, just click on publish right here in order to see your results. And once you have published that, there will pop up a window that can help you head over to your site. So this is my site. So just click on view site right here. And then as we head over to the link of my site, it will pop up on the review section. It's set on this pages right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change homepage on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.